The amazing story of US, a journey through time. Do you know where people come from? Not just you or your family, but all the people in the world. Let me tell you a story. It is not about kings or battles. It is about us. All of us. It is the amazing story of how humans came to be who we are today. Imagine it like a big, exciting movie, and you are one of the stars. A long, long time ago, there were no cities. No schools. No books. Not even farms. People lived like wild animals. They ran through forests and climbed trees. They hunted animals and looked for berries to eat. Life was hard, but they were clever. They worked together and helped each other. Imagine you are in a jungle. You are not wearing shoes. You have no backpack. You don't even have a lunchbox. But you have your brain. And that is your superpower. Our brains are like magic machines. Long ago, they helped early humans talk to each other. Not just with sounds, but with stories. They could say,
"There is a lion near the river."
Or,
"Let's meet near the tall tree."
Talking made life safer. It made people stronger together. Think of it like this: one monkey can shout when it sees a snake. But a human can say,
"Last night, I saw a big snake near the rocks. Be careful."
That is the power of language. It's like having walkie-talkies in your mind. After a while, people started doing something even more amazing. They began to believe in things they couldn't see. They told stories about spirits, gods, and magic. These stories helped them trust each other. If two strangers believed in the same God, they could become friends. It was like having a secret handshake. Now, picture this: people are like ants. One ant can do a little. But many ants can build huge homes. Humans are the same. A single person is weak. But when people believe in the same things and work together, they can build cities, boats, and even rockets. Then came a big change. The farming revolution. People learned how to grow food. They didn't need to move around all the time. They built homes and stayed in one place. They grew wheat and rice. They kept cows and chickens. Life became more comfortable. But here's something strange. Farming gave people more food, but it didn't make them happier. Why? Because they had to work all day in the hot sun. They worried about their land. They fought with others over water and crops. It was like trading freedom for a full belly. Next came villages, then towns, and then huge cities. People made laws and rules. They created money. Not just coins, but ideas like,
"This piece of paper is worth 5 bananas."
Money is a magic trick that only works if everyone agrees to play the game. Then people wrote stories on clay and paper. They made books and schools. They learned how to count and measure. They built bridges and temples. Humans became more powerful than ever before. Imagine history as a long road. At first, we walked. Then we rode horses. Then cars. And now, We fly in planes and send messages across the world in seconds. Every step brought us farther and faster. But not everything was good. People also started to think some groups were better than others. They made slaves. They started wars. They hurt the planet. Our superpower brain is strong, but it can also make mistakes. That's why we need to remember the big idea from our story. Humans are special not because we are the fastest or the strongest. We are special because we can believe in things together. We can dream, share, and build. We can learn from the past and try to make the future better. So when you look at your friends, your school, or your city, think about the long journey that brought us here. From the jungle to the stars. From fire to robots. From small groups to big nations. All of it because we believed, talked, and worked together. You are a part of this story too. And your ideas, your voice, and your dreams are the next chapter. Let's keep writing it together. Let's think about the future. What will the world be like in 100 years? Will we live on the moon? Will we have robot friends? Will we talk with animals? No one knows for sure. But one thing is true, the choices we make today shape tomorrow. If we care for the planet will care for us. If we learn to listen, we will understand more. If we share instead of fight, everyone will have enough. The future is like a garden. What we plant now is what will grow later. Think of your mind as a little seed. Every book you read, every question you ask, every idea you try is like water and sunshine. The more you learn, the stronger your tree of knowledge grows. One day, it may grow so big that it gives fruit to others. Also remember, no one writes history alone. Every great story has many heroes. Some are loud and famous. Some are quiet and kind. Some build machines. Others build peace. Some teach. Some paint. Some take care of others. All of them help the world grow. Even mistakes can help. When we fall, we learn to stand up. When we are wrong, we learn what is right. It's like drawing a picture. The first try is messy. But if you keep trying, it becomes something beautiful. You may wonder,
can one kid like me change the world?
Yes. Every big thing starts small. A tiny drop can fill a bucket. A single candle can light a dark room. One kind word can make someone smile. One new idea can change how we live. Look around you. The buildings, the roads, the phones, the games, none of these were here long ago. They came from dreams. And you have dreams too. That is your gift. You are the next chapter in the amazing story of humans. You are not just reading history. You are making it. Every day, with your actions, your choices, your dreams, you are writing the future. So dream big. Be kind. Ask questions. Help others. Tell true stories. Work together. And always believe that your voice matters. The story of us is not finished. It is still being told. And you, yes you, are one of the storytellers. Let's make it a good one.